Hey everyone, hopefully you're doing well. It's been a while and just been trading, just haven't been recording much, just been focusing on my trading and work and all that good stuff. Just going to talk through a couple minutes here of a couple of trades from tonight's Globex/Asia session, if you will. I've been trading in MNQ during the session instead of gold, only because I started trading with my funded futures and another back to Apex, and they have restrictions on their metals, so that's why I'm trading MNQ right now. Anyway, you can see there I exited early out of a trade just because I wasn't happy with what it was doing. It was a valid setup. Took the fair value gap continuation, ran into where that green box is, it ran into a fair value gap. I was expecting it to inverse it, but obviously it did not. So I exited for a small loss. And I was still bullish and just wasn't exactly sure where price wanted to retrace to. But yeah, as you can see, I'm typing out my frustrations a little. This has been a common theme with NQ compared to the metals or compared to gold. It's just a lot trashier. It's just not very clean price action. So it's definitely more frustrating for me to trade this asset. But nonetheless, is what it is. I can't get a decent risk reward, or I don't know how you call it, but I can't get enough profit out of the metals with the other prop firm, so that's why I'm trading this one. Anyway, you can see here, see how it just kind of rockets around and it ranges and it'll hit a fair value gap and just launch in the opposite direction. But yeah, I'm still bullish, but it's just a bit unpredictable. But anyway, so you can see here, another fair value gap continuation, although I noticed now that I was a little early. I can see that I didn't quite get all the way into that fair value gap below that one bullish candle, but I did hopped up to the 1 minute, and I could see that it did actually form inside of the 1 minute fair value gap. So I wasn't too worried about it. And also too, I kind of got lucky in this one. It only took me in with 3 contracts. And so the drawdown wasn't very painful at all. So again, I'm just kind of sitting here waiting for price to just do its thing. And like I said, it just kind of wants to just launch. I don't know what it is. So you can see how it's just kind of meandering, ranging, and then all of a sudden it'll just blast away. And I can kind of correlate it with the timing, so you can see we're running up on that new 15-minute candle. I guess it's just a bit more sensitive to those end blocks or starting blocks of new candles, higher time frame candles, and we see that on the lower time frame. But anyway, this was a pretty good trade. I got basically one mini. And when price moves, it moves. So I was happy.